Hello my people, now welcome back to another video. So guys, today video we dey cook beans and rice together with this yummy pepper sauce. So guys, if you want to know how to prepare this meal, then make you keep on watching. I beg, may you not forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. So guys, this na all the ingredients when I need. This na onions, fresh pepper and red bell pepper. Okay, you no need much. Sorry, together with a ginger, yes, a little bit of ginger. So yeah, these are all the things I need. So I don't already wash them. Okay, I don't wash them. Then so I'll come blend everything together. Guys, trust me when I say this pepper sauce tastes so good. Guys, it tastes so yummy. So guys, after I don't blend and finish, so this na pot. Then I can put red oil, a little bit of red oil. I dey like to mix my red oil together with groundnut oil. So this na groundnut oil. Then I can leave and make it hot for some time. So later I can put onions. Okay, then I can begin fry. Yes, at this point guys, my heart don dey scent everywhere. The scent after I don fry for like 2 to 3 minutes, then this na the blended pepper, onions, fresh pepper, okay, together with a little bit of ginger, okay, a little bit, not too much. Then I can pour them inside. Then I can stir, cover and make it fry. So back to our beans. Yes, so after the water don't hot small, the water don't boil, sorry, then I can add my beans. Then I can cover and bring it to a boil. Yeah, like this. Then after it don't boil, then I can go wash am. Okay guys, I like to go through this process for I wan cook my beans. If you want make your beans not pain you for belle, okay, make sure say you bring your beans, you do your beans like that, okay, like this. Okay, sorry guys. So after it don't cook for like 15 minutes, then I can put onions and salt. Yeah, I can add water join. I can say the water though they go down. This at this time the beans never cook. Okay, it never cook. It's just like 15 minutes, I mean 50% cook. So our beans they boil, they cook for one side. So back to our sauce. So I can put seasoning, salt, okay, and then I can stir, put all my ingredients, curry, thyme. You fit use any seasoning of your choice, okay. You fit use any seasoning at all of your choice, and the same thing go still go well, okay. It go still dey okay. Then I no need too much, okay. I just put a little bit of curry and thyme. So after it don't fry some more, then I can put this now smoked mackerel fish, okay. Then already deboned, wash smoked mackerel fish. Then I can put them inside. Then I can stir everything together, guys. At this time, guys, oh god, my kitchen dey scent everywhere. They scent this now crayfish, blended crayfish. Then I can add them inside. Oh my god, guys, this stew tastes so good. This sauce tastes so good. Then I can stir everything together. Then cover and bring am, make it simmer. Then it can simmer for some time. Then voila, my sauce is already. I can set that one aside. So back to our beans. So guys, I can test our beans. This beans right now is about 90% cook. Yeah, you don't bet it never soft, because me I dey like my beans made very soft. Okay, just 90% cook. Then I can I can put my rice. This rice I wash am with hot water together with salt. Like I wash am well to remove that starch, that white starch in here. I know they like am at all. Make sure to wash your rice very well. Then I can put them inside the beans. I can put enough for water. I can put enough water to cook the rice. Then I can stir everything together. Voila. Then I can taste for salt. I say we first use salt first to cook the beans. I can taste for salt. I can say it still need a little bit of salt. Then I can put salt. Then cover and make it cook. Hey god, guys, check out this rice now. Check out this rice. Check it out. This rice tastes so good. At this point I can't test that the rice don't cook, like the beans don't do everything perfect, well cook. Okay, the beans just like very soft. Voila, I just dish out my food. This food tastes so good, guys. This pepper sauce, guys, it tastes so yummy. Serve and enjoy with your family, guys. How you see this food? Check out this food, guys. check out this food. This food tastes so good, it tastes so yummy. Me and my family would really enjoy this food. So guys, I hope so I enjoy this video. If you do, give this video a thumbs up, like, comment and share. I'll see you again for my next one, guys. Bye bye. See you guys in my next one. Bye.